Hello guys, I'm VisioRacer and this yellow Renault Megane RS 250 Cup is the replacement for my crash BRZ. Let's go for an overview. It's a little dirty, I didn't have time to clean it up, but this is the famous hot hatch that broke a Nürburgring record. This particular one is one of the first model years and it is a little tuned, it is pretty damn fast. So there is a cone filter, a turbo bag, K-Tech racing exhaust system, some lowering springs, some brakes, and that's about it. Yeah, and there is also a remap which makes it about 310 horsepower. And the reason why I've chosen this particular car over anything else is that I told myself that it's about time to feel a change, to try something new. And I haven't got a chance to properly try a really fast hot hatch, a front wheel drive hot hatch. So I told myself that it might be a good idea to try it out now when I'm just, let's say, finding myself what I really like. I mean, what type of sports car I like. So I bought it about 2 weeks ago on my birthday, 21st birthday, and I like it very much. It is really fast, it is really capable, and thanks to that front limited slip diff, it is a weapon. It's really fast. I don't know who would want more than 300 horsepower on the street, but this is like crazy. It is snowy here at Pezinska Baba, but I already changed tires to summer tires, and I have ordered Yokohama Advan Nova 8008Rs as I did with my BRZ. So I want to give this car a chance to prove itself, whether it is that good how the press reviewers say. I don't know how long will I keep this car, but I am keeping for a time. So the season is just about beginning, and we are having a track day at Panena Ring this Sunday. So I'm really curious how this car is gonna perform. So that's about it. Thanks for watching this short video, and I wish you a great day. Cheers.